we need a balloon. The balloon exactly like this size, leaving 2 inches which is inflated at the middle, and the rest which has an allowance of, let's say, 3 inches on both sides, just like this. Okay, so inflate a balloon approximate a size like this, leaving a 5-inch allowance at the end to create a Snoopy with goggles. So create a bubble here, 2 or 3 inches allowance, and create another 2 or 3 inches here, another 2 or 3 inches here, and put this here. Put these 2 ends around here on the ears of our Snoopy. So later we just arrange this area on the latter part, but in the meantime we need to proceed on the body of our Snoopy. First, the neck, 1 inch bubble here. Next is another, let's say, another bubble here, approximate size of 2 inches, another 2 inches bubble here, and that's it. And now create a loop here. Approximate loop would be 6 inches. Now put the first leg of your Snoopy like this. Now it's time to arrange your Snoopy when it comes to the head part. Now put this bubble here downwards, and put this again also, and put this as well. Pull it, the whole ends like this. Wrap it around just like this, and you will leave a dog with a goggles, just like this. Hope you like it. A dog with the goggles. Okay, so we have ears here, the mouth, the goggles, the neck, the body, the tail. Thank you so much.